Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm a fibre artist. In this video, I'm going to show you my top tips for weaving. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. I find the best way to plan your weave is by either doing some sketches in your sketchbook or choosing your colour palette first. The best yarn to use for your warp is a cotton yarn, just as long as the yarn is tough. This is your base and will need to be strong enough so it doesn't snap. The best way to keep your weaving side straight and with the correct tension is to weave at a 45-degree angle. Pull the yarn down to create a bump. With your fingers, create mini bumps, then push the whole line down. You can always add in extra pieces to your weave after you have finished, like pom-poms, tassels and beads. The one rule I have when weaving is if you create anything fancy, tassels, loops, sumac, always follow with a few rows of basic weave to keep the warp threads connected. Otherwise you might find when you take it off the loom you will have holes in your weave. You can sew up any connecting sections with a needle and matching wool thread. When picking your wools and how much you will need, make sure you don't take too much off at a time as you will end up in a mess with lots of knots. It's best to use little and often. You can always take it and wrap it around your thumb and little finger as well to create a figure of 8. You can also wrap your wool around a shuttle using a figure of 8. If you don't have any weaving tools, don't worry, you can always use a fork from your kitchen. The best way to sew your ends in is with a wool needle that has a large eye. You will want to sew the yarn end down the weave, not across. To hang the finished piece, tie on some cord or yarn to the ends of your doweling. It's now ready to hang. For more weaving inspiration, head on over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment below. See you for more videos soon.